Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Sorry I haven't been around much. It's been a crazy 2 months around here. I traveled across the country. Worked on my bar project. And had a fancy party with fancy people. But now I'm back. In terms of other videos, I'm presently working on editing a rivet set video where I actually do something other than dick around with the forge. As discussed in the beginning of video 3, I'm doing lots of shop infrastructure upgrades in here. I'm making some hinges for cabinets and new door pull for the front, and you can see my strap hinges back here. We'll be installing those soon. But to make it up to you guys, I thought I'd do something special today. We're going to go to my Instagram and we're going to read some of your questions, and hopefully I'll have some answers for you. Must be Wi-Fi. I'm in the woods. Must be no, the Wi-Fi's not good out here. It's nothing. All right. So here we are. This is the shop. It's small. It's only 10 by 10. Built it about 3 years ago, almost. Coming up in a few months. This is my Fisher Norris anvil. It's 100 pounds, and it was built in or poured in 1895. At the time it was manufactured, these were being made right in Trenton, New Jersey. The largest Fisher Norris museum is actually not too far from here at Howell. I'll link the Facebook page down below. That's probably my left middle finger you see up there, top of the frame. My quench tank. I don't know what that scum is. It's always there though. It's kind of gross. It might be cordyceps. Oh, it's replenished by rainwater. I don't know, we've discussed that prior. Hammer rack is, so that's at my back to my right side. All of my fire managing tools and my tongs are on my left. This was the first pair I made. It's just a little 1/4 inch flat jaw tong. It's got to be adjusted, but it works. These I really butchered. This is 3/8 bolt jaw tongs, but you can see the boss is way too thin. They're pretty much useless. I think I got these through Blacksmith Depot. These are good. That's their economy ones too, but they're quite nice. There's more of my fire tools. The forge you're all familiar with at this point. It's in need of a clean out.
Yeah, okay. When you do set your shop up, ideally you kind of have your forge, your anvil, and your quench tank kind of in a triangle. I kind of managed to do it right here. This is an Amish buggy wheel. I don't know what to do with it yet. Just gets in the way of my coal box, which is back there, as you can see. There you go. Coal. In the box. Coal box. It's my coal shovel. I haven't put a handle on it yet. We'll do that someday. Gives us something to do. It's my post drill. This is also made by Champion. Same people that made my forge. I don't know a whole hell of a lot about it. It was built somewhere between, I guarantee, the 1420s and the 1980s. Somewhere in there. It's got an automatic down feed on it. That's what that pawl is up top. You rotate this table out of the way, and what literature I've seen said this is for drilling shafts or longer parts. It has come in handy before for my applications. Tighten that back up. There you go. Good work. All right. I don't know what I was thinking when I was filming this stuff. These are my various oils and lubricants, and those are the doors that I'll someday put on this cabinet. That's the door pull. I don't think we've put that video up yet. In fact, I know we haven't. Flux spoon, where I'm doing forge welding. That's fun. Yeah, there you go. Wedge that in there. Oh, these are some signs I got to kind of brighten the place up. Gotta hang those. Drill index, gotta have that. It's a good one. These drawers I bought off of Facebook Marketplace. I'm still organizing them. This one's got some of my chisels in it. This is a custom piece I had welded up for doing dishing and such. Show you more of that later. Drill stuff next to the drill makes sense to me. Oh, the layout drawer. We're going to layout drawer. Yeah, this stuff's good to have. That's all my tapes and squares and a deburring tool. I don't know how that got in there. What's that? I don't know what's in that. What's this one? Safety stuff. Yeah, that's that. My bench. Nothing exciting. Oh. This is a bottle opener / corkscrew project I started a long time ago. Sorry, Aaron. The torch isn't typically on the bench, yeah. That's the little oxy cabinet I've rigged up. Ideally, the top's going to have all my welding tips in it at some point. That's going to be all whatever tools and strikers I need. And there's the bar for the bottle catch right there. This is my shelf of stuff I've made and just thrown on a shelf. Those are the spike pindles for those strap hinges I've shown you before. Some just demo handles I've made. Yeah, there you go. Fancy stuff. Gotta put a hole in it though. I like this one. I don't know if I could duplicate it though. So I have one. There's supposed to be a pair. Not gonna happen. Ideally I want to put a display board here. So instead of that stuff just being piled up on my shelf, I can display it for when and if I get visitors. That was a nice jump edit to my rivet drawers. It's a rivet set that I made. I'll be posting that video next. Show you how to make this. It's good stuff. My annealing vermiculite, we've gone over that. This boy's proud of his vermiculite bucket. There you go. You're going to stick your hand in it too, aren't you? No? Proud of you. Good work. Swedge block table. Go back. There you go. This was I built this during the pandemic out of scrap wood, seeing as that was very expensive at the time. What are you filming, bud? Yeah, this is a three-piece set I got from Holland Anvil. They're new manufacture. Very good blocks. You do have to do a decent amount of finish work to them when you get them, though. All the edges are very sharp still. But you can see, I designed the tables you could stand some of the blocks up. There you go. On these two, you can see examples of different swedges, different angles. And this is just like an ancillary workbench that I use when I'm waxing parts and stuff. Or if I have to, you'll see, yeah, the holes. I'll be doing that again soon. This little grinder comes in handy. Fire suppression, very important. That's a small ABC extinguisher. And this is a 2-gallon compressed. Oh, we're gonna get distracted. This is like a buckler piece I'm making for a Viking shield. And that's what that round thing's gonna be used for. 2-gallon water extinguisher. I put RV antifreeze in here to stop it from freezing up in the winter. And it's supposed to be non-flammable and more environmentally conscious. Spend a lot of time looking at this thing, don't you? We get it. I should have edited this out. Here's my guest chair. Doesn't get a lot of use. It's tangled in some bars. I want to organize this a bit. Maybe split it. Keep round stuff on one side, square and bar on the other. When stuff gets too small, I will throw it. Here we go, I have drawers over here for it. It's the sleeves from my ghost shirt. Yeah. Yeah, save everything. And I built this into the facade of the building so I can put longer stock in there. I'll probably replace that wood with some chains or maybe bars comparable to what I put for my bottles. Here's my garbage pile. Pay no attention to that. Well, that pretty much does the shop tour. I'll go along in better detail on things someday if y'all are interested. But until then, I'm trying to get some work done. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.